I purchased my townhouse, and when I moved in, I discovered during the first rainstorm that there was a leak in the ceiling in my living room. When we started pulling it apart, it became obvious that the seller knowingly did not disclose to me this defect in the property. When they peeled back the carpet to do the work, they had seen evidence that there had been a black tar put on the inside in an attempt to block the water from getting in. My cost for repairing the deck was approximately $25,000 to $30,000 out of my pocket. At that point, I hired an attorney. During the mediation, it became clear that they didn't have a case on the other end. We had physical evidence, we had forensic evidence, so we were in a position to make a settlement right there. So the mediator asked my attorney for the documentation of the monies that I had paid, and he said he didn't have any of the supporting documents, which wasn't true. I'd sent them everything. I'm very meticulous. So I went back and I resent him all of the documentation on the bids from the contractor. My attorney never called me back. I emailed him, I called him, he wouldn't call me back. Then it turns out that the statute of limitations expired, and I'm fuming and I'm really upset. I finally realized that I'm going to go nowhere with this case. They're just leading me on. So I decided I'm going to file a complaint with the California Bar against this attorney. At the final hearing in the Superior Court, he was disbarred and he lost the privilege to practice law in the state of California. Dealing with the California Bar, filing this complaint was a really positive experience. They handled it very smoothly. They kept me in the loop from the time we started the case to the point where I was reimbursed out of the client's security fund for the entire amount that I gave my attorney. And I was really happy that this man can no longer do harm to other people.